Well, we're just about all moved out of the old shop. It's been a great 3 years there. We had it really well organized, and we insulated it. It was a very usable shop. We just outgrew it. We had storage area up above that we made. We stored lumber, paints, and so forth up above. It was time for a change. We found a new shop. It's quite a bit bigger, and it has an attached sales area in the front with a separate entrance. It also has a dog kennel. Sasha loves it. The floor was in pretty rough shape, so we cleaned it with acid and put on a fresh coat of paint. Looks great, and it should be easy to keep clean. That's the second bay, and that'll be used to load and unload. I added some storage area along the back wall, and a bench will go underneath it. The storage area worked out so well that I decided to extend it all the way across the back wall. And that gives us plenty of space. The shop has a full bathroom with tub and shower. And we built a lumber rack to store all of our lumber. And there's plenty of room for more tools if we need it. "30 acres of pasture land came with the shop, and that's great for our horses. The horses like to come down for a snack when we're down here at the shop working. Sunsets are beautiful here. And it's great to have a place where I can come after work and kick back and make something. We're planning bigger and better projects in the near future. We installed an air filtration system. And we assembled our dust collector. We're working on the duct system for that right now. We had a stray cat that decided to make a home in our boat, so we named her Bayliner. Keep watching for more.